Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable Copilot Vision to share screen in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to share your screen with your Copilot, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you're using the latest version of Copilot. So open your Microsoft Store and here you just have to search for Copilot here, or you can also go to download section to check for updates or for every single app. So just click on Copilot here. Once you find it, you just have to make sure that you haven't any update option here. If you find this side to update your Copilot, once you have done, just go back and you just have to simply open your Copilot app or Copilot software here. You can also try to search for it if you can't find it on your taskbar or on your desktop. So once you have done, you just have to click on continue, and here you might get different options that you can also create an image using your Copilot app, or you can ask more questions using different apps here. You can see I have different apps option here, or you can also click on this plus icon and you can also upload any photo and or any video to ask anything about that. But I'm going to use screen share features or my Copilot Vision, so just click on this option and then click your screen which you want to share. You can also start with files. I already enabled this. So just click on your screen and your Microsoft or your Copilot Vision is now ready. You can easily
All right,
use
looks
this.
like the
You
Flow
can
app is
open any
running.
app from here which you want with which you want to share your screen. Or you can also enable this microphone option to ask any question relating to your screen. So in this way, you can easily enable Microsoft Vision or your Copilot Vision to share screen in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.